Five questions with me, EP.
Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth. I'm here with first-party property attorney Paige Rheuby, and I'm going to ask her 5 questions. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Yes.
First question. What's one thing you wish you knew before starting your legal career?
I wish I knew that there wasn't a right way to do it. And by do it, I mean advocate, be a lawyer, argue. I think I spent a lot of time in those early years trying to figure out the right way rather than figuring out my way or my style. There's definitely a wrong way, but I don't think that there's one single right way.
Right, trying to mimic yourself after, someone else's style doesn't necessarily mean that you're doing it the right way. You got to do what's right for you.
Exactly.
Number 2, what is the most memorable experience in your career so far?
I had a case when I practiced in Alabama as a prosecutor. It was a homicide case where the victim died in 2016, and we ultimately ended up trying it in 2022. In that time period was COVID delays as well. But I think the experience of seeing the victim's mother and the sister's face after we got the guilty verdict, or just relief, stuck with me and will stick with me forever. They were tired, and it was important to see it all the way through. So it was very rewarding, but also something that will stick with me forever.
That's a really big experience. Number 3, what is the most valuable skill you've learned as an attorney?
The ability to read a room. And it's hard to learn, I think, but it is invaluable. It could change the way you argue or advocate, just being able to read a judge or read opposing counsel.
Yeah, or even a witness if someone's having a bad day or is it slumped or whatever. Yeah, you really got to change how you act.
Or even your own teammate, in the law firm of, how do you approach things together?
Yeah, that's great. Number 4, what is your favorite way to stay organized and manage time?
I am a visual learner and processor, so I need to see what is on my plate and how much is on my plate. So I, at the end of every day, rewrite my to-do list. I will keep one master to-do list so that when I come in the next day, I know exactly what is on my plate, how much is on my plate, and what I can dive into right away.
There's nothing like checking something off or crossing it out. So satisfying. Yes. Last one. What is the most significant change in the legal field that you've seen since you started practicing law?
While there are a lot of case decisions that I think have affected the legal field, of course, I think COVID absolutely turned the legal field upside down. I think our field will probably be one of the last ones to go fully tech, fully paperless, but it changed the way work-life balance is. It changed the way, sentences or settlements or resolutions are valued by clients and attorneys and judges. And it obviously changed the way court is held and the accessibility to
like televideo.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, COVID forced the legal field to speed up and get with the times, I think. For sure. It's true, yeah. Well, Paige, thank you for joining us and answering my questions. Thank you until next time.
5 questions with me, EP.